Welcome back to my channel. Accessibility is ability. Today we are at the UW campus and we're just touring and looking at some beautiful cherry blossom. And getting to the campus is completely wheelchair accessible, and to navigate the campus is also wheelchair accessible, at least where the cherry blossoms are. So let's take a look together. We're gonna take a look and walk around. Now you could get here by local transportation from downtown Seattle, or you could drive. This is so beautiful. So it's been raining for the last couple of days, so today it's sunny, so everyone, I guess, decided to come out and check out the blossoms. I see lots of strollers, but I don't see any wheelchair. I see some bicycle riders also over there. There's steps over there, but that's not the path we walked. The path we walked is where somebody could roll in a wheelchair, so we didn't take the stairs. So we know for sure accessibility is not an issue. And there were actually plenty of wheelchair accessible parking spots, designated wheelchair parking spots also. So we noticed that wasn't an issue. Nicholas wants to make cherry blossom cookies, so his mother is gonna figure out a recipe. What kind of cookies do you want to make?
Cherry blossoms.
You want to make cherry blossom cookies?
Yeah.
Do you have a recipe?
You have to find a recipe.
You have to find a recipe?
Yeah.
Well, you're gonna let me know what it tastes like, okay? You're gonna let me know what it tastes like?
Like cherries.
It's gonna taste like cherry?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, don't climb the trees. And I guess you can't really roll up the trees, so that's not a problem.
I'll keep it because it's funny. But yeah, the only reason why they make it
Lots and lots of people out today. I'm checking to see if anyone rolled here other than babies. Today's like a great picnic day for everybody. There's so many people just sitting around in the grass and they're having like a wonderful picnic. So that's lovely. The sun is shining over on that side. on the cherry blossom. On the side that we're currently standing, it's more in the shade.
Te moviste, si se mueven no salen. ¿Listos? 1, 2, 3. Listo, venga. A ver, vamos a ver. A un lado, venga. A ver si salió.
So we see one person that's in a wheelchair.